Hey everybody, this is Dustin and Terry, RV Specialist. So I was just sneaking up on Terry and I said, "What's going on, Terry?" And he was telling me that we're got this Winnebago here and it's an Adventurer, and he's doing a, you said it was a summer tune-up?
Summer tune-up.
And so you just did a water heater service?
Found out his PT valve was leaking.
So you changed out the pop-off valve right there?
Yeah, you can see all the...
And then I see all the white settlement.
Yeah.
So when you flushed it, quite a bit came out.
Oh yeah.
So there's all the white, you know, whether you want to call it calcium, lime, whatever deposits that came out of the unit itself. Even though this is a Dometic, formerly Atwood, this is an aluminum tank, and the unit will still, it has a plastic coating in the tank, and so you still want to flush that out, because what will happen is it will eat through the plastic coating and then eventually compromise the tank itself. So, all right, well, hey, stay tuned for more. I didn't catch him actually doing the service, but if you haven't already joined us on our Winnebago Facebook group, it's Winnebago RV Owners Maintenance and Repair in the RV Shop with Dustin. And you can also go see our playlist for other water heater services, where we show you all the tools and tricks and tips and things like that we do. So check that stuff out and let us know. We have the flush wands on there, the water heater pop-off valve removal tool, anode rod tools to remove those, kits, and then we also have all that stuff located too in our Amazon store on our website. So if you visit www.calrvspecialist.com and you go to our Amazon links, you know, it's not us selling it, but it's just we have all the links there available for you, so you can see what we're using and what tools we use. So all right, thanks again so much for watching. Have a great day. Dustin, your RV Specialist.